The major hardware of SIP T41P, SIP T42G includes footstand, brand new design that supports 2 adjustable angles, handset, LCD screen, LED, flashes to indicate incoming calls or voicemails, programmable line keys, activate accounts and be customized to suit users' preferences. 4 soft keys, corresponding functions displayed on the LCD screen, alphanumeric keypad. 4 navigation keys. OK key, check telephone information and answer calls. X key, cancel actions, reject calls. Volume key, adjust volume of handset, headset, or speakerphone. Four function keys. Mute key, used to switch to and indicate the mute mode. Headset key, used to switch to and indicate the headphone mode. Message key is used to indicate and connect the voicemail. Redial key is for number redialing. Speakerphone key. Toggle hands-free speakerphone mode. Various inputs on the back and side of the unit into which the user can connect a handset, headset, the Internet, a PC, the EHS-36 and power.